Morning, guys! It's actually morning, it's Sunday, and I'm going to make a little tour around the rice paddy fields with my friend Nabil, you know, who's running the show around here. So let's check that out. You say hi, Nabil.
Hi.
It's very professional. Yeah. It's a crispy morning, 8 o'clock. It's not even that early, but it seems very early. Check it out. Sunday morning. People are burning fires and picking bananas, or at least looking at the banana trees. So Nabil, you grew up in this area, or were you born here, in this area? Huh?
Yes.
Yes. You never lived anywhere else?
Starts from here. It's okay.
Never mind. Yes. Okay, let's go down here. So, yeah, this is the way to the paddy fields, or yeah, one of the many ways. Anyway. There's always cats everywhere. Because the people here, they like cats and do not appreciate dogs so much. Yeah, because they're kind of dirty, which they are. Oh, anyway, check it out. Going out to the paddy fields to the right. Check it out, the early morning colors. Of course, you can see the different colors. You know, some of them are more green, and then, you know, some sections are more yellow. They have, in certain areas, they have started harvesting the rice, so now it's rice season, basically, you know. So if there's no mangoes now, at least we can have some rice, right? Which is awesome. The most awesome rice in the world comes straight from Perlis, believe me. I don't think if I'm eating rice from Perlis, but yeah, maybe. Produced, but the rice I buy in the shop, maybe not from here, or maybe from here.
Maybe from here.
Yeah, because it's the same rice I eat in Penang.
Yes, correct.
I take like not the most expensive kind.
Yes, correct.
Check it out. Ah, beautiful morning, right? And you can still see the moon, the full moon, or you know, almost full moon. The last few nights were a bit crazy. Kids woke up, but that's over now. We can sleep quietly for another 4 weeks. And on this side you see they have these canals that run around these paddy fields everywhere. There's a lot of water because rice needs a lot of water. And of course, it's not raining all the time here. So, you know, they have this system, which makes it quite picturesque, actually. Check out some of the banana fields here, the coconut palms, and like in the back with the telephone tower, the mountain or one of the little hills that I should climb. I did climb another hill. That's the Medan hill. Still have to climb that one. I did climb a small hill before in Mata Air, and I filmed, but I lost the footage. That's so sad. Maybe you can make it up for it. Nice. What do you say, guys? What do you say? Isn't that an awesome, beautiful morning? See the palm trees and the bushes and the regular trees in the distance. The early morning birds gliding over the horizon, and that small one. Sometimes here you see kingfishers, but more in the evening actually. I saw tons of kingfish, but I haven't managed to film one. And with this wide angle camera, maybe you wouldn't see it either. Yeah, I could tell you there's a kingfish over there, and you'll believe it maybe. Oh, now I'm gonna fall. Nabil actually offered me a helmet, but I told him I have a cap, you know. And if you think about it, you throw off that helmet from a mountain and that cap from a mountain, which one's gonna break? Definitely not the Moonshine and Lemongrass cap. Stork. Is that what you say? Yeah. Here they have already harvested. Yes, they began harvesting. Is this already harvested, or is just prepared to harvest? No, this is cut.
Already cut.
So some areas they don't plant at the same time, right?
Yeah, maybe early.
Yeah, some early, some yeah, because they're planning on
Yes, correct.
harvesting differently, different times. Well, makes sense.
So harvester machine.
There's the harvesting machine. Check it out, how they harvest rice around these parts. Of course, this is Malaysia, not like Vietnam or Cambodia, where they pick the rice by hand. No, here they have modern machines. Actually, I even saw the other day, I saw farmers using drones, you know, like to fertilize. So it's very modern here. So this machine is super modern. It's just stood here, it's just parked. They're still eating their nasi lemak probably. And it's Sunday, but I think that doesn't make any difference. They still work on Sunday because Sunday don't mean much to them, right? It's Friday that's important for Muslim, yeah. Beautiful. Here they have a old harvesting machine. Is that yours? Do they just leave it here?
Yeah, someone abandoned it.
So they just, you know, just throw it away like a Coca-Cola bottle. Check it out. They just leave it here. Someone tried to steal the tires. Just took the inside. But it's cool, kind of like, don't you think? Like an abandoned rice monster. See? This is the back. The rice is harvested here in front. Comes in there. Maybe. I think that's not true. I'm explaining you life. I'm explaining you the mysteries of the rice harvesting in Perlis. Or maybe I'm not. Anyway, goodbye. Let's go. So now we're getting into the heart of the rice fields. And I must say, the view is spectacular. I am very much loving it. Although I'm almost falling off my bicycle because it's a road with little rocks, sandy and shaky and dangerous. But check it out. Check it out, the rice. See how it turns yellow? That means they're ready to come. They're ready to go into the rice bag. Can you hear them? Get me! Get me! Get me! Yes, this was the rice saying, we're ready. Yeah, we're ready. We had a nice life here. Oh, I almost fell down again. Should have worn that helmet. Yeah, we had a nice life here out, and it is beautiful, you must admit. And the nights in the moonlight are spectacular if you are a grain of rice with lots of your friends and family. So they're saying, we're ready to run. We're ready to come and find our final destiny inside of your stomachs and being shot out in the toilet. Oh, check it out. A nice tree. Wow. It's an area, a cool area. Check it out here, it's been harvested. Oh, nice, eh? We got the birds. There are not as many birds here as they were in Mata Air. I don't know if this is actually true, it was just like a momentary thing. Oh, wow. You still find this nice, right? Yeah. I mean, you're used to it, but it will always be nice. Yeah. Check it out, that calm beauty. Fresh morning. And yeah, it's fresh. I mean, it's not cold, but it's relatively fresh, which is very nice. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and my friend Nabil, he has got a drone. So let's see what it looks from above.
Yeah.
He will film me a little bit in the surroundings. So the drone is following me. Check it out. Can you see it like this? It's right in the sunlight, but that's a pretty, weird thing. Wow. And see the beautiful morning and the beautiful drone following me. And the beautiful fisherman trying for some fish. What a nice place, man. This is such a paradise, really. You know, I prefer this than, you know, too many places. So this hay fever, not sure. So this project with the drone, can you see the drone up here? It's following me. It's been set to follow me. So I don't know how I cut this together, but I'll try my best, because now I'm walking around inside of the paddy fields, and yeah. It's really cool here, man. Wow. So let's jump. Let's see if you can follow me. Nabil has to change the battery of the drone, and I'm in the middle of the rice fields here. You know, you can touch the rice. You actually know, have you seen this before? See, this is what the rice looks like. See, it already looks like rice. Check it out. We steal 1 grain of rice and we look at it. Can we see it? Yeah, it will be whatchamacalled, you know, whatever, how they proceeded there. Like peel the rice corns or rice grains, of course, and then, you know, the rice comes out. Oh, how peaceful, peaceful, peaceful. This is such a beautiful morning, such a beautiful moment, man. around. There's just a few farmers around. You see, you know, when I say a few, I mean really one or two. Yeah. And then there was this one guy fishing. Like you see the farmers fishing in these streams. It is so amazing. You know, that how calm and tranquil Kampung village life is. Farmer life. Amazing. Anyway, so he changed the battery and he's probably filming it me right now. Let's check it out. What it looks like from above. So I'm a bit lost for words, to tell you the truth. Check out that little island of palm trees there. Wow. What a beauty. So this time I don't even care if it's a longer video. Those of you who like it will watch. And I think this footage deserves some watching. So see here, I don't know if they bind them. Yeah, it looks like they bind them here. Wow. And actually here we are at that island of trees. That's pretty cool, huh? I'm liking this. I totally am. Check out these, whatever it looks like, flags, these sticks with plastic on them. These are like the scarecrows, because as mentioned, there's lots of birds around here. See the trees here? From afar, it looks like an island in the ocean of rice, with the little stream. Oh wow, love it. Here also, this part also already harvested, or you know, partly harvested. Oh my God. I tell you, a farmer's life is a dangerous life. It's like the life of a pilot almost, or a soldier, or a mass murderer. See there? Okay, don't listen to me. But check out that little tree there, all by himself, lonely, without any friends or family. Oh, it's a car coming. So guys, that was a great morning in the rice paddy fields with Nabil. So let's see how that footage will look like. And yeah, going home now. I will show you the street one more time. Check it out, that's a nice little house with a nice little mango garden. Harumanis. The best mango in the world. Is it the best mango in the world?
Yes.
Not only in Malaysia, maybe, probably. Yeah? Also the most expensive mango, maybe.
Yeah, most expensive. You have to try it. Very nice.
Yeah, in April. Now there's none of them here, unfortunately. Anyway, guys, all right, keep smiling. Be good. See you next time. Bye-bye.